Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check followers on Pinterest. And here's how it is done. To find your followers on Pinterest, open the Pinterest app or go to pinterest.com. Tap Save in the bottom right corner, which will take you to your boards. Swipe down to access your profile, where you will see the number of followers you have. Tap on this number to view the list of people following your account. From here, you can scroll through the list and follow anyone by tapping the follow button next to their name. You can also tap the three dots next to their profile to either remove them as a follower, block them, or report their account if necessary. Additionally, you can tap following to see all the accounts you are currently following. You can manage these connections by adding or removing followers as needed. And that is everything you need to know about how to check followers on Pinterest. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.